Hey there everyone, I am Siddharth Sahu and you are watching Coded Worm. In this video, we are gonna see how to download the Bracket Code Editor and its installation steps. And if you are not familiar with the Bracket Code Editor, then you probably need to watch my previous video. Let's get started. Just go and search Bracket on Google, open the very first link, that is bracket.io. Now hit the download button and there you go. After completion of the application setup, right click and hit to the install. Choose the path and hit next. Click to install. Here you go, installation of Bracket is done. Now let's open the Bracket and do a small test run to check whether Bracket is working fine or not. Let me do some adjustment first. Open a new file, save that file with a .html extension. Press exclamatory and tab to write the entire HTML structure. Hold your seats because you're gonna love this live preview functionality of Bracket. Let's give some title to the page and write anything to the body. Let's say this is the live preview functionality I was talking about. As we are done with the installation and testing part, this video ends here. Till then, stay tuned for learning some serious web development. And if you want to learn more about programming and other related stuff, start now by hitting the subscribe icon so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.